attention to detail, strict quality control, and extras that don't cost extra elevate Semble clamps above the competition. Extras like a media blasted finish and nickel chrome plating on all the clamp rails, a corrosion resistant finish and deeply cut Acme threads on the clamp screws, and dual-durometer contoured handles that ensure a secure, comfortable grip. Let's take a closer look at the Semble medium-duty parallel jaw clamp. A patented mechanism keeps the sliding jaw in place until you want to move it. Pull out slightly to move the jaw back. Push in slightly to move the jaw in. It stays put no matter what. The jaws are perfectly square to the bar and stay that way under pressure. Here's a demonstration of Semble's even clamping pressure. We're clamping standard copier paper in the front and rear of the jaw. With minimal pressure on the screw, the paper is locked in both front and back. Try that with your current parallel jaw clamps and see if you're ready for better. The lighter overall weight and 440-pound clamping pressure are perfect for smaller projects where you don't want or need a heavy-duty clamp. Available in 6, 12, and 24-inch capacities, all with 3 1/8 inch throat depth. The medium-duty parallel jaw clamp is just one of the Semble clamps now available from Woodpeckers. When you're ready for better, reach for Semble clamps.